Hey guys,
welcome back to our channel Lucky and Cutie Show. So guys, after many days
in many months,
yeah, we are in mall. So we are going to show that what are we going to do in mall in this coronavirus. So let's
Yes.
see.
in this pandemic.
Yeah.
So let's begin.
So guys, now we are going to Big Bazaar. So many shops are open. So first we are going to go to Big Bazaar.
Yes,
Let's go.
and even many shops are yet to open. So let's go. Guys, our first shopping in and around our 5 months lockdown. I mean in mall is this.
My mom bought this. I bought even this also.
Double.
Guys, the best place over here, like we don't pick mostly anything.
Yes, like
Yeah, the best thing is over there. It's
which
the
is toys.
the toys thing. Yeah, we always buy something, the toys and stationery. So
Obviously.
let's meet over there.
Guys, now after a long time we are seeing this toy
Toys.
shop.
Which we are not going to buy anything. We are going to buy something. I don't
And
know which we like.
We'll show you army of pink and white bears right now. Wait. So guys,
See here, there are so many bears over
like
here.
pink bears. See that
But
gorilla.
that's a kappa. This is a green gorilla.
From Star Wars.
A small Wonder Woman.
Oh my god, she's so small. Guys, now I have my favorite thing. Nerf guns. Like yeah, dudes. I like Nerf guns so much. And even Iron Man. But here there are not much variety of Nerf guns or toys. Like you can see in other like Hamleys. Yes, Hamleys you can see so many variety because that's a toy shop and it's not. So guys, you can see there are so many goodies. Like see there are so many rough note colors. Gum. See this pen, bags.
Where are the bags?
That's
Wow, these are so much kids' bags.
Yes,
He will never use that.
obviously. And you can see here.
There are so many files, and
See
then
this, the pack. This. All of these are not mine. Yeah.
so let's go forward.
See so many things. This.
So guys, we are buying now
Some
this.
pens. I
Yeah,
have to
gel
bend
pen.
down for seeing in the camera. If I be like
Yeah.
this, I can,
Yeah,
you can
see,
only
see. So
We are
let's
buying
see.
some pens
Yeah,
because even
blue
we
and
need
black.
to write. I am going to tuition.
Yeah, I don't go tuition. Guys, we are buying whipped cream piping.
Yes.
It has so many shapes and everything.
We don't know to make like so good whipped cream, but we know a little bit. But
Yeah,
it is
little.
very tasty. Yeah.
Okay,
No.
so meet you after we bill. So guys, as you can see, the whole billing counter is free.
Before and
So guys, we are not leaving, but we are going to keep the things.
because we are
We are
going to buy
so
more things. so-
heavy, yeah. So guys, we came from the car and I'm eating corn. See guys,
Ooh,
corn.
some delicious corn.
I
Yes.
love corn. Every time I come here, I eat this corn. So meet you when I finish this corn.
Guys,
We are not allowed it inside because I'm eating. Our mom and dad are, but still in.
yes. Don't worry, my sister. I'm there for you.
I don't
Give me
know
also one bite.
Okay. Have some. They're tasty, right?
Yes. So meet you guys inside.
So guys, we bought a lipstick, means two lipstick. First, this lipstick, it really looks nice. Guys, as you can see, it's really glittery, so good guys. So, the next one shades also I will show you guys. I know some of the people are not interested, but it's really nice. This one is really good. And guys, one more thing also we bought. Mommy. We bought this too. It's a compact powder. We will open it at home. Means like professional. As you can see, it's really nice one. So let's meet in the next place we go.
So guys, as you can see, my favorite place where I like to play so much games like that, like the claw machine. I like to play that every single time. I play every single time when I come here, and I love this place. But unfortunately, it is closed. So I want to play. It's my wish to play in this lockdown because I have been dreaming of this for 5 to 6 months. In this whole lockdown, I've been dreaming for this, and it is not open. So guys, as you can see, even the food counter is mostly closed. Even my favorite Subway is also closed. But I guess so Burger King is open, and I guess Taco Bell is open. And other than there are like in and around 20 restaurants and all are closed. As you can see. लेते हो आप कितने बेटे तैयार करने के नहीं गिर बेटी then so guys so we are going to eat momos. Wow, momos, yes. So this is only open when my sister is also coming because I don't know this is social distancing seat.
Yeah, but we are taking and coming in here because we want to sit together.
And this music is so annoying. No one is also listening, and but then also they are playing. And I was right. And Taco Bell, Wow Momo, Burger King is only open. Only 3 things out of Domino's Pizza is not open. Arab is not. Orange Walk, Fruit Punch, none of that is open. Punjabi Dhaba, nothing is open. Only Wow Momos, KFC and Burger King. Yes. I need to eat some special Indian food. Yes. I mean, like, I love momos, I love KFC, I love Burger King. But most I love is the hot, the Indian food, the Indian gravy, the spices in it. I like more than anything.
So guys, we are eating momos with very spicy chutney. It's really tasty, guys. We are eating momos because it's the last shop which opened. And we were the last customer also. We were lucky that at least one is open.
And we thought Burger King, KFC, Taco Bell is open, but none of that is open. When I got there, it was closed. And we were the last customer for Wow Momos also, so we are so lucky. So there are only 2 varieties. This corn and this chicken. That's all.
So guys, we are eating donuts. So many varieties.
Yes.
We love
In this
eating
we have
donuts.
most of the varieties. And I ordered this, the sugar. She ordered the chocolate, this sprinkle.
Yeah, and my mom ordered the banana caramel. But guys, don't worry. It's not only that we're not going to share. Like everything, we are going to eat one bite.
Yes, Rose. And we are going to go even Starbucks, I guess. So
Yeah, let's see. So it's a pretty noisy, but guys, now we are at the Starbucks. As you can see, we are ordering 2 frappuccinos and a side dish. Yeah, because we are not very, a bit hungry, and like we are going to drink the frappuccino. I guess it's my first time drinking the frappuccino. So let's see how does that taste. Change at the coolers. Now we are going to drink our frappuccino.
and hers is strawberry frappuccino and mine is more.
Let's try it, guys.
And me also. Okay.
It's the best. I love it.
Me got this also and this
I
good.
love it, guys. I love it.
And you even extended our glasses also. So good.
So meet you when we finish this. Means finish this.
Hope you guys like this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
So
Guys, always subscribe, like and share.
And
We
if-
hardly managed and came to the mall. I guess we entertained you too.
yes,
Guys,
hope you are entertained.
Starbucks.
Because I mean like we also missed too much and today yes today only the mall just opened and we just came today because I mean like I cannot wait to go out. I mean like in house I'll just play Fortnite. I'll go tuition and just play Fortnite. I'll sleep, that's all, that's my day. But if all the things just open, that's all. So hope you guys like this video. Share, subscribe and like. So bye.